Hello everyone. In this video I am going to tell Bhagavad Gita sloka number 13.25. In the previous sloka, Lord Krishna told Arjuna that one who understands the philosophy concerning material nature, the living entity and the interaction of the modes of nature is sure to attain liberation, and that he would not take birth here again regardless of his present position. Let us begin with this shloka. ध्यानेनात्मनि पश्यन्ति केचिदात्मानम् आत्मना अन्ये साङ्ख्येन योगेन कर्मयोगेन चापरे. The meaning: Dhyanena, by meditation, Atmani, within the self, Pashyanti, see, Kechid, some, Atmanam, the supersoul, Atmana, by the mind, Anye, others, Sankhya, of philosophical discussion, Yogena, by the yoga system, Karma Yogena, by activities without fruit of desire, Cha, also, Apare, others. The whole meaning is: some perceive the supersoul within themselves through meditation, others through the cultivation of knowledge, and still others working without fruit of desires. Srila Prabhupada explains, the Lord informs Arjuna that the conditioned souls can be divided into two classes as far as man's search for self-realization is concerned. Those who are atheists, agnostics and skeptics are beyond the sense of spiritual understanding, but there are others who are faithful in their understanding of spiritual life, and they are called introspective devotees, philosophers and workers who have renounced fruitive results. Those who always try to establish the doctrine of monism are also counted among the atheists and agnostics. In other words, only the devotees of the Supreme Personality of Godhead are best situated in spiritual understanding, because they understand this that beyond this material nature are the spiritual world and the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who is expanded as the Paramatma, the Supersoul in everyone, the all-pervading Godhead. Of course, there are those who try to understand the Supreme Absolute Truth by the cultivation of knowledge, and they can be counted in the class of the faithful. The Sankhya philosophers analyze this material world into 24 elements, and they place the individual soul as the 25th item. When they are able to understand the nature of the individual soul to be transcendental to the material elements, they are able to understand also that above the individual soul there is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. He is the 26th element. Thus, gradually, they also come to the standard of devotional service in Krishna consciousness. Those who work without fruitive results are also perfect in their attitude. They are given a chance to advance to the platform of devotional service in Krishna consciousness. Here it is stated that there are some people who are pure in consciousness and who try to find out the supersoul by meditation. And when they discover the supersoul within themselves, they become transcendentally situated. Similarly, there are others who also try to understand the Supreme Soul by cultivation of knowledge, and there are others who cultivate the Hatha Yoga system and who try to satisfy the Supreme Personality of Godhead by childish activities. Thank you for watching, and I will tell the next shloka in the next video.